everyone. Students from our video editing class went to WFMZ recently and asked them to discuss anticipated changes in the world of broadcasting. The personnel we spoke to provided insights into broadcasting's evolving landscape, particularly with the integration of AI and social media. Let's hear what they had to say.
The industry has changed considerably. Media consumption behaviors are incredibly different and cluttered and messy, and it is our job to make sure we can cut through that clutter to make sure our clients are aware of the power of WFMZ here in the Lehigh Valley and Reading and the value we can bring.
Over the years, we have improved with the latest cutting-edge technologies. We've added more space, a larger newsroom, more staff members. We've increased our reach to not only being over the air, but now we're on the web.
Networking is everything, especially now with social media. Everybody sees everything. People are posting what they're doing.
While we have these digital products where we put out our news and information, weather, things like that, anytime Facebook makes a change on their end, Google makes a change on their end, something like that, we always have to catch up with that and make sure that we can adapt to whatever changes they make.
I think AI is great, but at the end of the day, AI doesn't have common sense. AI will only take you so far, and anyone that thinks otherwise is incredibly misled. I think we are in unprecedented times to see how AI is able to help us and where it's going to hinder us, but I think it's going to be a really long time before AI comes in and replaces everyone and everything.
We can't have AI writing our scripts for us. We can use AI, and we do use AI to help us. It's a tool, but in the end, the journalist who is putting this piece together, whether it's written form or video, is ultimately responsible in what they're telling the audience.
Here we have an AI policy. We can use it to help us with researching, but we're not using it to tell our stories. In the future, we're going to have writers get replaced with AI. I mean, my position is definitely replaceable with some sort of AI. I do feel that there has to be some sort of personnel around.
Broadcast news is going to have to be more vigilant in the future when it comes to AI. If you go through your feed, you'll see a video and maybe you'll see something shift. It'll be something amazing, but maybe the video isn't quite right. In the future, you have to be careful that the video that you're capturing is legitimate.